Hey guys, it's Justine and I am so excited because it is iPhone season and in front of me I have all four of the brand new iPhones. We have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 mini. This is great because last year the iPhone Pro Max and the mini were delayed. So this year we have all of them right here up front and we're gonna unbox them all in this video. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. I do a ton of tech videos here and we're gonna have a bunch of Apple content, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to receive notifications and like this video and leave a comment below if there's anything that you would like to see us test out with these phones. I still get so excited about this, like honestly. And it's not just iPhones, like it is actually just all technology. Like it is so exciting for me that I can't even explain it. And I guess I don't have to explain it because you can see the pure joy on my face. Where should we start first? Tyler, which one do you think? What should we do? You pick. What should we do? Which one do we do first? I think we're gonna do the pink one. I didn't even give you an option. I'm so sorry. This is more of like a baby pink color. I was hoping for a hot pink, but honestly, pink is pink and I'm hyped about it. So let's check this out. Okay, so first of all, this actually looks way better than I thought it was going to. It's so hard when you see these devices on a screen, even for you guys here in this video. This actually looks way better than it does on any photos that I saw. It's a very, very subtle pink. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so clean. I need to get a screen protector on this immediately. And of course, in the box, we have no charging brick, but that's not new information, and most carriers have also followed suit. So it's not just Apple that doesn't include chargers in the box anymore. And we've got our USB-C to lightning cable. So the first thing that you're gonna notice here with the 13 is the cameras are actually now diagonal. In the iPhone 12, you can see they are vertical. So they did this to be able to integrate in sensor shift technology. So it's much more stabilized instead of just doing it inside of the camera and using software. So since we just unboxed the larger iPhone 12, we're just gonna go into the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my God, it's the 13. All right, let's go into the new iPhone 13 Pro Max because this is the new color. This is the Sierra Blue, and this looks very, very pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, this is great. What I love about the Pro Max is they have a more, I don't know what they are actually calling it, but it's kind of like a frosted glass on the back, as opposed to the 13, it's more of a shiny, whereas this one is shiny, but it's frosted. So Sierra Blue, check that out. It's so pretty. These camera bumps, like these are getting thick. I can't wait to try this out. I'm so excited. So here's a comparison between the 13 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max. They do have a very similar look, but I really like the look, so I can't really complain. Now it's time for the 13 Pro in gold. Let's check this out. Oh, this is a very nice gold. It was so funny because last year when they first announced this gold color, when I first saw it online, I was like, I do not like that gold at all. And then I ended up getting the gold phone and I was like, what was I thinking? It's beautiful because it's not like a super aggressive gold. It's just like a nice gold hint. It's really hard to tell. Like you can barely even tell that this is gold. Is this gold? Are my eyes deceived? No, this is gold. This looks really great though. I really like it. And it is a very subtle gold. So if that is something that you're concerned with, just know, very subtle. Let me show you in comparison to the silver. You can see a slight shift. I can't believe that there's new iPhones out again. I'm still kind of processing that. And last up, but not least, this is the new iPhone 13 mini. And they did say that you're gonna be getting an additional hour-and-a-half battery life with this, which is amazing because I think that was one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people had was the battery life on the iPhone mini. And honestly, like I love the iPhone mini. The only reason that that wasn't my main device is it didn't have the telephoto lens. My phone is used mostly for creating content, so I do need to have the best of the best. I mean, I don't need to, but like I want to. This is the midnight color. It's so strange because it's very, very dark. Like on camera, like this almost looks black, but like when I'm seeing this in person, I don't even know what this color is. Like a greenish blue kind of like undertone to it. Man, the mini is just such a cool phone. Like, it's so small, so powerful, and like it really is like the perfect just fit. This thing fits so well in my yoga pants. I always take this phone hiking. I take it running. It's perfect. I love you. Say it back. It's not turned on, that's why. Okay. So here's our 2021 iPhone lineup. Mini, regular, Pro Max, Pro. We also have some accessories, which is very exciting. These are review units. I'm never really sure like what's gonna show up, so it really ends up being like such a fun surprise. So we got our iPhone 13 mini case. This is the color Clover. Here's the iPhone 13 case. This is like a nice like salmon kind of color. This is actually also one of my favorite colors. We've got the leather iPhone 13 Pro case. That's gonna look really, really nice. And then we've got our leather Pro Max. This is the midnight case. Awesome, that's gonna look really good. And we also have the leather iPhone wallet. I'm very excited to test this out. These colors actually all look very good together. What a nice little color palette. I'm so excited. All right, leather wallet. Let's see what you're all about. Here it is, check that out. Look at this, look at that. So where's the Find My located? How did you do the thing that you did? Like, Tyler, does this look like your uniform?
Very nice.
I really love MagSafe, and I'm so excited they have a lot of really great MagSafe colors for this season of iPhones. So now let's turn these on. All right, time to get these all set up. I love this little hello welcome background. Kind of reminds me of the new iMacs.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to. Choose the voice you'd like me to.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose.
Hi, I'm Siri. Voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later.
Change it later in settings.
Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Oh my gosh, I just set up all 4 phones at the same time. Why have I not done this my entire iPhone career? Hi, Bryn. Hey, Bryn, I'm making a YouTube video right now. Do you wanna meet someone new? That over there is Tyler. Can you say Tyler? Say hi, Tyler. Okay, I have to go film because I'm in the middle of making a YouTube video. Bye. The baby knows how to go into contacts and find the people she wants to call. She's not even 2 yet. I just real quick, let me just see what that 3x zoom looks like. Let's just see what we can do. Oh, photographic styles. So we can choose the style that we want. You can use standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, or cool. And I just want to test the 3x. Okay, here we go. And this is the 2.5x. So you can already see that there is a zoom difference. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay, that's it for this video. The reviews will be coming soon, or they may already be up. I'll put links in the description and they'll be linked here in the end card. So that's all for me. I gotta go play with my phones.